Finally, a smartwatch that can take screenshots. Finally, I just pressed those two buttons, pressed, blank, taken. Now, there are a few other smartwatches that can do that already now, but you know, I cannot call a smartwatch something that needs to be charged every day or even every 2 days. It's ridiculous. This one supposedly can go for 3 weeks. Even if it goes for 2 weeks, that's still great. You know, with this one, I can go for 5 days, easily 7 days maybe. And so this is not the only upgrade that's worth mentioning, but I love it, I think, because I've missed it so much. The other things, as other people have mentioned, it's beautifully redesigned menu. Come on. So what's happening with that menu? Oh, I cannot get that menu. Yeah, that beautifully redesigned menu works in a different way. So that's worth it. And also the looks. I think finally this watch looks really good. I mean, this is not GT. I had GT 1, 2, 3. Then I decided to go Watch 4, this one, just to test so-called real smartwatch options, which is like having a keyboard, Wi-Fi and LTE and some extra, I don't know what. I didn't really care about it. It wasn't really worth it for me. I keep it on this normal mode with long battery because that's what matters to me, that I can have it for 5 days and not think about charging it. So then I came back to GT series now 6, so I skipped GT4 and 5 and I had this one. Now, what is it, a good update? Oh yes, it is a good update. The looks is good, so it's silver and in this ring around it's got those let me see, this white bit here, then it's kind of greenish but it's almost white. Then here we've got light green and then dark green, so that makes a big difference. Other GT watches, I can't remember, but I didn't have anything like this. The strap that comes with this one, if you buy the silver edition, you get this green one with fabric here. I also got myself this blue version. It's kind of blue gray. Yeah, I can say that it's glue, but it's glue. Blue and gray, so glue, yes. I think I prefer it with green. And also I have a red one from my previous watches. I bought it a long time ago, so I think the red one goes better with the black one. So the silver one with red, yeah, it's okay, but I think a black one with red looks kind of better. On the first look, it's a bit odd, but after a while I got used to it and I really liked it with the red strap. So maybe I could get used to this one, but this one has got this fabric. So what else can it do? Well, it's much more precise for sleep tracking. Now, Huawei watches are not very good with sleep tracking. And there is this guy who tests them, and even this one is not fantastic either, but it's definitely much more precise than this. This shows me some silly things, like I woke up in the middle of the night for half an hour and I didn't. I remember that I didn't. Whereas this one, it's much more precise. At least with tracking the time I went to sleep and the time I woke up. Also, this one would spread my sleep sometimes into naps, whereas this one didn't do it when this one did it at the same time. So I've had it for 2 nights together. Now it may be measurements may be affected because this one is on the right hand, whereas this one is on the left hand, where I normally and most people wear watches. I do recommend this for many reasons. It just looks good, better menus. There is a promotion now that Huawei runs, and also it just looks so much better. The various menus, the looks have been redesigned, so we've got more gradients, we've got different gradients, we've got animations. Actually, let's focus first on, okay, so if I go to sleep option, bang, there is an animation, you know. It's a little thing, but it just makes the whole experience more pleasant. And it shows 8 minutes, 8 hours, 9 minutes, whereas here there's no animation, 6 hours, 37 minutes. I mean, the difference is marginal, but I still think they're worth upgrading, you know. If you're thinking about getting it, yeah, get it. If you can easily afford it, it's not a difficult buy to recommend. Enjoy some shots that I took of this watch with my phone. Hopefully they will look good, you know. So thanks for watching. Take care. Well, this is the watch in the box. Looks really spectacular, I think, from this view. Ooh, very nice and matte. The protector, obviously, we will remove it. Let's see in a moment what happens. Let's zoom in. This is the zoom lens now, so we can have a better look. That looks really good. Okay, here's the view with other straps. This is brand new, this bluish, and this is a normal kind of nice red. It's not a very strong red, it's slightly subdued red. This one is already, I've been wearing it I was wearing it for a while, so it's slightly worn, but it still more or less has the same color. I think in the video the colors are a little bit more saturated than in real life. So let's zoom in a bit closer, and then we're gonna switch to the other lens. Okay. This is nice. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the colors now this red is slightly more saturated than it really is. I'm recording it now in the log mode, so hopefully this will show the colors better. I will see later on when I edit this, although I have a preview and it looks quite good, a little bit just darker than in real life, so this could be something to do with the log, because the other videos, normal videos, look really nice. So the watch is spectacular. Okay, this watch with the red strap, I don't think so. I mean, it's a bit aggressive. It could look okay actually in some situations, actually not that bad, but I think with green, for me, it looks better. And with the blue strap, again, it could look good depending on, again, on the clothes the person is wearing. So yeah, pretty good.